Iron and hydrochloric acid yields what? Well, there are two reactants, so this could be either synthesis or single replacement. Since there's an element and an ionic compound, this is a single replacement reaction. We start with the free element, iron, and hydrochloric acid. We want to find out what this yields, so we look at our reaction rules. We find that a metal is going to replace the positive ion. If it was a non-metal free element, it would replace the negative ion. In this case, the positive ion is not another metal, but it's the hydrogen in the acid. So iron will replace the hydrogen. That will mean that iron will be with the chloride ion, and there'll be some free hydrogen. But before we can continue, we need to make sure we have our compounds written correctly. We know that the chloride ion has a -1 charge, but what about the iron? Reaction rules say that a metal is going to take its preferred oxidation number. Iron has two possible oxidation numbers, +2 and +3. +3 is the preferred oxidation number. So in this reaction, the iron will take on a +3 charge. We need to crisscross this, and when we do, we find out that we're going to have the compound FeCl3, because this is iron 3 chloride. The last thing we need to do is take a look at our other product, hydrogen. As a free element, hydrogen never exists by itself. It's a diatomic element, so we need to have H2. Now all of our formulas are correct, and we need to balance the equation. The irons look okay. There's one on the left and one on the right, but the hydrogens and the chlorines aren't balanced. We have one hydrogen on the left and two on the right. We have one chlorine on the left and 3 on the right. The odd number on the right, the iron 3 chloride, is going to cause us a problem. So we multiply that by 2 to turn it into an even number. Now we have 2 irons, so we need a 2 here. 2 times 3 for the chlorines makes 6 chlorines, so we're going to need 6 here. That'll give us 6 hydrogen, but since it comes in pairs, there are only 3 of them. The final answer to this question, iron and hydrochloric acid yields, is it yields iron 3 chloride and hydrogen gas.